Can hear y'all doing. Y'all can hear the thingamabob go womp womp. So.
Do I have to?
Alright guys, so we're here trying to do the wire harness. We have all this stuff to go through. We got a brown doohickey, a black doohickey, another black doohickey,
Black thingamajigger.
a black thingamajigger, and I think this is the turbo inlet, bro. Like, it sucks in the air for more boost. Like, it's like, and get that.
That's exactly what it is.
That's what it is, guys.
I'll tell you put.
What's that?
Hey, you're gonna break the car.
Okay.
Whatever.
We're about to break it. Yeah.
So,
I'm free so Kaka.
yeah.
You
All right.
ready to
I will set the big
Free tools.
Free tools when you buy a car, guys.
Woo.
Don't forget to buy one.
And don't forget your free magnet.
Your free magnet bolt holder. Don't touch that, little boy.
Don't touch it. Put it down.
All right.
I will slap you.
So if anybody has some advice in the comment down below, you got some schematics and whatnot, so we can get this bad boy running soon and drifting, leave a comment down below or some shit. We're going to try to get this thing done. Let's see, we got all this wiring. So this one's going from, where's this one going? Exactly. Look at that, look at that. Such a mess, such a mess. Alright, so O2 sensors are
I'm
where?
glad y'all aren't getting messy.
Oh, we'll get messy.
Oh, we will.
Malachi, no, sir. Careful.
We still need to connect the hoses too. Coming later. What? It's over there. The door's open.
No, go to the car.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's over there. We're fine. Sorry guys. Technical difficulty with kids. Always a pain in the ass.
I'm wearing your jacket.
He's fine. So again, you guys know the schematics. Here's the relay box or whatever, the fuse box. At least we have the fuse box thingy.
Bye.
You know we have it.
Did you
That's
just do
great.
that with this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's how they adjusted it back in.
Back in the day, back in
And
you adjust your
1,000 years
lights.
later.
All right. So
Oh.
I
You
love it.
plan getting like oil over the
It's already.
it's already on.
They're just
Alright,
like cheap eBay
so-
followers.
All right. We're gonna have to kind of like separate all the wires, see where everything's at. It's a little loop. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to tighten this up. God, dude. All right.
Yeah, we're gonna need some zip ties.
Zip ties are totally JDM in. So I don't know what I'm looking at, guys. Matt, do you know what we're looking at?
Yes, an engine.
Engine,
Car.
a motor. It's in Blayton's terms, it's a motor. See, you got your air breather thingamabobber when you step on the gas,
That right there is your vroom vroom stick.
and you got the line that can make it move.
Boop, boop.
And you got the little healer things right there, the cooler that cools it.
Don't need to get another one. Look at that rust.
Yo, but look at those dime stacks, bro. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Fancy car.
Beautiful.
Fancy car.
All right. Even little man wants to work on it.
I do
That is a
too.
fancy car.
I do too.
All right. So again, if you know anything, hey, can you hold on? Let me speak, bro. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. If you have any idea of the schematics for him and me, please leave it in the comment down below so we can get this bad boy running and we can hear y'all doing. Y'all can hear the thingamabob go womp womp. So.
Do I have